Hello students, good evening. So today we are going to see a Cambridge IGCSE, a question based on electrolysis. The questions are very simple. So electrolysis is the process where we break down the molten and ionic compound. Sometimes we take the concentrated solution also. Now the question 4, it carries 13 marks. This is from your Feb March 2022. So this question is about chemical reactions and electricity. So first question number 4, we can start. So diagram shows the apparatus used in the production of electrical energy in simple cell. So they have given here a zinc electrode, iron electrode and electrolyte. So zinc electrode dissolves in the electrolyte forming a Zn2 plus ions. Draw an arrow on a diagram to show a directions of electron flow. Now such a type of questions are totally based on your reactivity series. So here is we have a reactivity series. So you can see here a potassium which is more reactive, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, carbon. Okay, so down the group reactivity decreases. Okay, so elements which lies in the periodic table, in the reactivity series, they are most reactive. Now if you see here, they have asked, draw an arrow on the diagram to show a direction of electron flow. Now if you see this reactivity series carefully, we have zinc and iron. In the diagram they have labeled, we have zinc electrode and iron electrode, zinc and iron. So elements which lies on top position, they are more reactive. More reactive means what? They will undergo oxidation. Oxidation means what? Loss of electron. So loss of electron means what? At zinc, the loss of electron will take place. Okay. So loss of electron means what? Zn is losing electron. So at Zn will undergo oxidation. So this I can take, this will undergo oxidation. So Zn will lose electron. So oxidation, we know the formula. So oxidation always takes place at anode. This is fixed. Oxidation always takes place at anode. So anode is what? Your positive electrode. Okay. So here it is positive, it will be your negative. So draw an arrow on the diagram. So this is the diagram. So here you have to show the arrow. So electron we will lose at anode. Correct. Write an ionic equation for the reaction that occurs when zinc electrode dissolves. Definitely when there is a oxidation, so Zn will lose electron. So you can write Zn 2 plus gives 2 electron. Now here most of the student do some common mistakes. So when we are writing, so we'll write Zn solid and Zn2 plus. When we are writing, we have to write aqueous. So writing AQ is very important. So this is the answer. If you are writing aqueous, if you are maintaining the physical state solid to aqueous, then you will get the full marks. Okay. Then next, same question. The diagram on the voltmeter can be increased if either zinc or iron is replaced by another metal. Name the metal that can replace the zinc and increase the reading on the voltmeter. Now always remember, this is the reactivity series. Now for exam purpose, you must know what is the reactivity series. Now here we have a zinc and iron. Okay. So if the distance is more between two elements, suppose you take zinc and copper, so the voltmeter will show a maximum reading. Okay, if you decrease the distance, if you take zinc and lead, the voltmeter will show less reading. Okay, so this is the one hint or one trick you can remember. If you want more reading on voltmeter, you should have a more distance in the reactivity series. So what is our question? Our question is, name the metal that can replace the zinc and increase the reading. So the metal which lies above the zinc, so you can use aluminium, you can use magnesium, or you can use a carbon to get the more reading. Okay, so this can be the answer for this. So name the metal that can replace the zinc and increase the reading on the voltmeter. So you can write down any metal above the zinc, any metal zinc in the reactivity series. So you'll get 1 mark. Second, name the metal that can replace the iron and increase the reading on the voltmeter. So you can come to the reactivity series. Now we have to replace the iron. So any metal below the iron, so we can use tin, lead, copper, silver and gold. Okay, so any metal below the reactivity series. So name the metal that replaces the iron. So for replacement of iron, any metal below what was there? That below your iron, correct? Yes, so below your iron. Okay, so you'll get 1 mark. Now this is next. Fuel cells are used to generate the electricity. Name the reactant in the fuel cell. So definitely everyone knows the fuel cell is a very simple cell where we use hydrogen gas and we use the oxygen gas. What is next? Name the waste product. So waste product is water. So whenever you are writing the answers, make sure that you are mentioning the physical states. Okay, yes. Next, electricity can be used to break down the aqueous or molten ionic compound. Name the process which uses the electricity to break down the aqueous, molten and ionic compound. Everyone knows this is very simple. So in short, they have given the definition of electrolysis. So this is your electrolysis. So you'll get the 1 mark. Explain why the ionic compound needs to be aqueous or molten. So definitely we are doing the electrolysis. So ionic compound needs to be aqueous or molten means we require a free mobile electrons. Okay, or you can use ions. Okay, free mobile ions or electrons, both are correct. Now brine concentrated aqueous sodium chloride. Here we have, name the 3 substances which are manufactured by passing the electricity through brine. Now here most of the students, they write the answer, we get hydrogen gas at cathode, correct? Most of the students just write H2 and O2, so don't write like this. Cl2 gas at anode, okay? And most of the students couldn't write the third one, they just write H2 and Cl2. So third product is what? Your NaOH, which is formed into the solution, okay, at the end of their electrolysis. And the last point, name the different substance form when molten aqueous sodium chloride is used instead of concentrated. So always remember, for electrolysis, whenever you are using a molten anything, metal always get deposited at cathode. So here at cathode you will get your metal. So here our metal is what? Sodium. Clear? If you solve these electrolysis questions with the help of reactivity series, you can easily get 13 out of 13 marks. Okay, so concept is very simple and very easy, and you can easily get the good marks. Thank you.